Nothing metal touch. Pull and drag. Good pike, good pike, good pike, good pike. Hey, what's going on, you guys, and welcome to another episode of Get the Gaff Outdoors. In today's video, we are out on the Mississippi River. We're gonna first try for some big pike casting and some shallow weeds, and then hopefully chase some small channel cats that we're gonna cook up later for you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, but I'll quit jabbing. See you guys out on the water. Yeah, it's... Come on. Nice bass. Nice bass. Nice bass. That's a really good bass. That's a really nice bass. That is a terrific. Dude, that's like a 3-pounder plus. Yeah, I'll put him on the tape real quick. Yeah, he measured out at 16.5, but he's thick. I thought he was like 18, 19 when I seen him on the surface. He can go though. All right, here you go, buddy. First fish of the day. What was that? Something like metal just hit my rod. There was nothing metal to touch. Big pike, big pike, big pike. Oh, like a 30-incher just followed me up to the boat, and then when I went for my figure 8, he darted and he left a giant freaking giant boil. Got him, I got him, I got him, I got him. Good pike, good pike. Net me, net me, net me, net me, net me. That's a nice pike. That's a nice pike. Nice. Leave him in the water, leave him in the water, leave him in the water. Let him tire himself out. That was a short fight. Here, I got to throw that anchor in just real quick. Because I don't know if I want to keep it.
Well, this is a decision if September 18th doing a fish fry or not.
I don't know. We already got a bunch in the freezer. Is my thing.
He's a good eater, though.
Yeah, he's a good eater. 29. Oh. Yeah, 29 right on the dot. We gotta get him in the water. All right, we'll let him go.
He was bleeding or are you bleeding?
He's bleeding. He's bleeding from the mouth. Where I hooked him. Man, he is thick. God, that's a... That's a good fish. There he goes. There he goes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. A big fish just like surfaced right there. Unless it was an animal, it had a big chunk taken out of its back. It finned like a shark or like a dolphin.
Go ahead.
Yeah, like, I don't know how to explain it. And it had a big chunk taken out of its back. It almost looked like a flathead. It was all brown, but maybe it was a pike.
It had a big chunk out of its back?
Yeah. Like, I wonder if the camera caught it. Like, I have no...
You know, I probably looking for parts that hell. Like, I would totally love doing that. And she's like, I love one. I could love that.
Got him. Yeah, little green carp.
He's green.
Yeah, he is. He's dark. Look at that. That's what I seen with something like that.
Yeah.
But not that big.
Yeah.
Yeah. He got tapped. He got love tapped by a big old toothy pike, eh? Yeah, there you go. Pull and drag. Good pike, good pike, good pike, good pike. Yep, we need the net. Hit really close to the boat. He's plus 30. He's plus 30. Atta girl. Keep him in the water. Oh! Okay. Oh, put the tape on real quick. Oh, back there he goes. Whew. Well, his slime's all the way over here, and he was a little bit further, so he's probably 30, 31. I'm slimy too now. What's that?
It's in my freaking mouth.
It's in your mouth. Oh, I'm bleeding. That's good. Oh, thanks, honey, for the net job. Did I tell you that I caught Case? Ooh. There we go. That's a nice catfish. That's a really nice catfish.
You catch them in the bin?
No, it just got tangled. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. It's tangled.
Oh.
Drag?
So you have that worm that was on your hook, right?
I don't know. I got mono, so it's hard to tell. Yeah, that's a nice fish. No, nice catfish. Nice catfish. About the same size as Case's. That's a healthy one. Case, look at that.
Yeah, he's clean.
How about that, eh? Case.
We might get a limited keepers.
That'd be fun. Do you have a tiny hook on your big bait caster? Drumfish! Cut bait. Ooh ha ha. Unless you want to throw them back, we can go for a smaller one. I don't know. Up to you. We're not using very many worms at this point. I say we just keep fishing. Throw him back.
I don't know how to use this. You'll be okay. You have a worm on your pole.
Guide case with all the... This is a nice fish.
Didn't say you'll catch a fish. Need a net? You can swing over here. I got 2 of them somehow.
It's a nice catfish. Biggest one so far. A good eater. There we go. And this is what it was like the last time we were here. Like, ooh, there you go.
There you go, see?
All you had to do is talk. Don't bend that wire hook though if it is a nice one. With that bait cast, make sure your drag's right. That's a nice cat. Hook bent.
Did it bent or popped out?
Bent. Hook bent. Mine didn't.
A decent hook.
Mine bent.
Yeah, mine popped out. I should have netted it.
Yeah, probably.
You don't know how to hear your drag.
We got those little hooks. You should have it pretty.
Let out.
No, you should have it loose. We got small hooks. Nice cat. Another nice one for the cooler.
I do it just back of the boat.
I would use your smaller pole, man. Oh, did he hit it again? You're on, buddy.
Yep, I'm on. He hit it again.
That was weird. He must have came at you. It's a nice kitty. Nice kitty.
Did you hear me hit my bill?
I would net it.
Hey, yeah, grab a net. Alright, your first net job.
Never done it before.
Hit the head of it with it. Like scoop it.
Okay.
You just told her to hit it in the head.
Scoop it. There you go. Nice.
Nice. Put him in the bucket. Did you see how that thing doubled over?
Go, your net. Go. Good one?
That's running. Nice cat.
Good cat.
Nice channel cat.
Usually worms some crust.
God, that's a good one.
It sounds like a... Maybe a flathead.
It's a nice fish. Watch, it's...
Coming at us?
Mur, lift your rod up. We're good. It's underneath you guys. You should be fine. You're good.
Nope, I'm on you.
Okay.
It's okay. I'm not wrapped or anything else.
Just keep it kind of like tightish so it stays just hooked like that.
You mind,
Big drum.
you mind if I bring it close to me?
You can net it if you want. You can net it if you want.
Net.
Behind you, the green one, Case.
I expected.
Yeah, this one's still just a little big for cut bait. At least for what we're chasing. We're not chasing 20-pound channel cats or big flatheads or anything like that.
Gwen, come here.
Big fish. Started ripping drag, and when I pulled my rod out, my rod holder fell.
Watch out for the anchor there, bro.
I think it's a carp. Frickin' carp. Can you net it, please? Tank, come on. Thanks. I'll just pop the hook out and let him go. All right, get him out of here. Gross freaking thing that made me lose my damn rod holder. Yeah. I'll try to catch it with my net. I think this just got bit. Yeah, I was trying to catch my freaking rod holder that just went in the water from that carp, and I caught a sauger in my net. Hey. Well, that's interesting.
Are we keeping this kitty?
Absolutely.
And I had a relapse.
What you got, baby? I was just talking about moving. It's a nice kitty. That's a good eater. He's a small eater.
That right there is a good one.
Yeah, that is a small eater. There we go.
Just hanging out. Just reeled down. And we got a broadwire. You wanna? Got it? Yeah, I got it. Nice. He's coming for you.
Say, leave it.
Oh, you got hooked it bigger than it shouldn't have. It's a simple hook. Look at that. How about that? That's awesome. That's awesome. Get a little screen grab of that. He'd be a good eater. Pretty sure the bigger flatheads taste better, don't they? Yeah. He's a catfish. He'll probably be fine.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. He'll be fine.
Well, thanks again so much for watching this episode of Get the Gaff Outdoors. If you like watching Mississippi River fishing videos just like this one, make sure you hit that like button down below and hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment too. Let me know what you guys think of this. But today was a lot of fun. Got in a little bit of casting early in the morning. Had some fun doing that. Had some success. Then went catfishing and it was off the wall. I think we ended up catching like 20-something catfish. It was a lot of fun. Caught some other big rough fish. Had some funny stuff happen. So a lot of fun. Awesome day. Thanks again so much for watching. But we will see you when we are chasing the next jack. Woo!